but this is the cloud white. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a pair of, well, 3 pairs of Yeezy Cloud White that released last week. So I managed to get 3 pairs, all from different sources. I got 1 pair from Adidas, 1 from Foot Locker, and 1 from Size. So this video will just be a short unboxing of all 3 pairs. I've already worn the pair from Size, but I will also give you an on-foot look and just my general opinion on the colorway itself. So we'll open up the Adidas one first. Really? These boxes suck. Take a look at the one from Foot Locker in the middle, and this one here is from Size. And as you can see, the box is pretty dented. I was pretty disappointed when they were shipped out to me. I got them off the app, and the box wasn't double boxed, just literally came with a thin wrapping over the top. So the box is pretty dented. It is 100% authentic, but it was ruined in the post. So as I said, I have worn these ones already. I wear them without the insole. I find it comfier. So the insoles are in here. Yeah. So I'll get all 3 pairs out just for you guys. Some of you probably won't believe I copped 3 pairs. Here is all 3 pairs. They all are a size UK 9, so a US 9.5. I might be giving a pair of these away, so stay tuned to my Instagram at RealorFakeOfficial if you want to keep updated on that. I think I'll probably be giving away a pair of these with a company called Reviews. So check them out below, link in description. It's an online website where you can review any seller on any platform. StockX, GOAT, Instagram, and various other places such as that. It's a site where resellers can get feedback from customers so they can build up a reputation, and it proves to the customer that they are a legit seller. So we'll just take a look at the shoe itself. This isn't the latest colorway. The latest colorway is actually the Citron, which I did get as well. But I will be showing you that in another video. But this is the Cloud White Yeezy. So as you can see, they have changed the upper on this Yeezy. So just above the stripe on the outer side of the shoe, you can see they've removed the static print from this part. Just gives it a little something extra, I think. In my opinion, this is one of the nicest Yeezy colorways, and it's incredibly easy to wear. I've worn this pair a few times, and I just absolutely love it. I think it looks great, especially with an all black outfit or even a grey outfit. It looks really nice. I wish they had released this in the spring and summertime, however, because I think it's going to be pretty difficult to wear, especially in the UK during winter time, because it rains a lot. As most of you have seen from my Instagram post, I ruined a pair of cream whites because I wore them and it started raining, and they're now cream grey, just like every other Yeezy, to be fair. So it has the normal static print, however, the actual darker shade is like a grey blue tint, which gives it a little something extra. It is incredibly close to the Yeezy static. I will get that now just to show you, just do a wee comparison. So here is a look at the Yeezy static compared to the Cloud White. As you can see, they're incredibly similar. I have worn these quite a lot, as you can see, very dirty. But here is just a look at the comparison between the color shade between the two. That's from the upper. If you look from the heel as well, you can see slight differences in color as well. However, they are very similar, and I would say if you have one of these, don't buy the other one. There is absolutely no point. Why is there alarm going off? So on the Cloud White Yeezy, unlike the static here, this is the non-reflective version, and this is the non-reflection version of the statics. However, the non-reflective version of the statics comes with reflective laces. However, the cloud white is completely non-reflective. The laces are just a plain light aqua blue, I would say. The stripe color kind of gives off a slight yellow cream vibe to it. I would say it's just slightly more creamy than the outsole. They have also removed the pull tab on the cloud white and the citron. I'm not too sure why they've done this. I'm actually preferring the Yeezy 350 with the pull tab. I remember the original Yeezy Beluga did not have the pull tab, and then they put it on and everyone was a bit like, why are they doing this? But then it kind of grew on me, and now I think it looks kind of weird without the pull tab. It has the updated boost pattern on the bottom, just like every Yeezy has nowadays. I do have a fake pair of these just down there, but that will be in a new comparison video coming out very soon. So I'll do a comparison between a real and a fake pair of these, just to see the few differences. I'm now just going to do a short look at on foot of this pair right here. Just going to see what it looks like on foot in natural lighting. It's quite a nice day outside, so hopefully you enjoy that. Now that you've seen it on foot, comment down below if you would actually cop this, or if you did cop it yourself. I would actually like to know. I think it's one of the nicest colorways. I can't decide if I prefer the static or the cloud white, so let me know down below which one you prefer. I think the static's easier to wear, however the cloud white is just something a bit different. Most Yeezys coming out are pretty similar, but I think that change in pattern above the stripe gives it a little bit something extra. I would have liked to see the reflective laces on the non-reflective version. The full reflective version of this is very nice indeed. However, that was stupid limited. I'm not too sure what I will do with both of these extra pairs. I'm going to give one away, I think, but I'll probably just sell the other one, as there's no point having 3 pairs of them. Comment down below why one of you should get a pair, and it might be your lucky day. I might pick one random comment and just ship these straight to you. So thank you very much for tuning in to the short review of the Yeezy Cloud White from 3 different sources. Size, you need to sort out your double shipping. But other than that, this was filmed on an iPhone 11 Pro on the wide lens, so let me know how the quality is, let me know how the sound is. Everything's done just with the iPhone. There's no extra little gadgets attached to it. So let me know what the quality's like, let me know what I can improve. Got new lighting, so hopefully it's a bit better. But thank you very much for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.